In Arizona, during the summer months, hot tubs can get to temperatures as high as 115, 117 degrees with the heat being shut completely off. Even if you were to turn the breaker off, have no power going to it, just the ambient temperature outside and the fact that a good spa cover is made to keep heat in the hot tub. Well, the bad part is during the summer, it's gonna generate heat. And that heat makes it very uncomfortable to use your hot tub. Well, I can show you how to drop the temperature in your hot tub to somewhere between 92 and 97 degrees. It'll cost you no more than probably $2 to $5. It's what we call venting the cover. You can do it a couple different ways. You can use 2 tennis balls, and you would put 1 tennis ball under this corner over here, and you would put another tennis ball under this corner. By lifting the cover up the thickness of a tennis ball, what it does is it lets the steam out of the hot tub, and it brings the temperature of the water down to a comfortable temperature. Even if it's 115 degrees outside, if you can get into 92 to 95 degree water, you'll use your hot tub. The other idea that you can use is a fanoodle. That's kind of the way this hot tub is done. This hot tub, if you lift the skirt up, see if I can lift it up on each side. This hot tub has a fanoodle right here. And what it's doing is it's allowing it right here for the steam to come out. And with the skirt being a 6-inch skirt, it still keeps the dirt out of the hot tub, but by having this little gap right here, it allows the steam to come out. Same thing over here. I can kind of lift, hopefully up this side. You can kind of see where there's nothing right there. So that's kind of how you can do it. It's called venting the cover. And like I said, a good hot tub cover is going to maintain heat really, really well. So this is a 7.5 foot by 7.5 foot tub, holds approximately 400 gallons. So anyways, that's just one way that you can drop the temperature in a hot tub, is just by venting the cover. As you can see, right now it's about 116 degrees. The hot tub right now is approximately 97 degrees, and the hot tub is set on 80 degrees. So it's a hot day today. So anyways, what you would do is, if you're going to use the fanoodle, you're going to do nothing more than put the fanoodle right here. That's all you're going to do. You're going to lay it just like that. You're going to take your cover, you're going to close your cover down on the fanoodle itself, just like so. Going to get it approximately where you want it, and then that's all you're going to do is you're going to pull your skirt down, just like this. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helps out with folks across the country that are having problems with their heating of a hot tub. Like I said, I received a phone call from a homeowner that claimed that hers was up to 114 degrees. This hot tub is set on 80 degrees, and right now the water inside of it is about 95 degrees. That's not bad when I'm standing at 6 o'clock in the afternoon and it's 116 degrees in this backyard. I'm sweating. So anyways, I hope this kind of gives you an idea of what you can do and what we're capable of doing. My name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory. They call me the Spa Man. If I could be of service, please give me a call. I'll link my telephone number below as well as my website. And if you could, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and help me build this thing. Let's see how big we can build it. And I'll see you on the next hot tub. Have a great day, everybody.